Hi, my name is Bashar Taqi, and today I'll be talking to you about the domain health feature. This feature allows you to do a deep diagnosis of your domain health, allowing you to see the steps needed to take your domain to the next level in terms of protection. It will classify and clarify all the issues that you would have when it comes to DMARC, SPF, DKIM, BME, MTA-SCS, and TLS-RPT, telling you the recommended solutions, and you will have direct integration with our hosted features, where you can simply, on a click of a button, navigate to those features and implement them and validate them. Domain health will give you the steps that you need to take to improve your domain health and improve your security score. This is done by taking a deep dive analysis of your domain and telling you what errors there are in more detail, as well as the fixes for them. So on this landing page, you'll be able to see the more general to-do list, which includes configuring DMARC, SPF, DKIM, MTA-SCS, TLS-RPT, and BME, the 6 protocols that we support. And when you select your domain in the drop down here, it will do a more in-depth health check to give you tailored solutions for any misconfigurations or any issues that you might have on your domains, as well as the steps to improve them. So let's show you how that looks like. Once I select my domain, I can clearly see a more in-depth health check based on my domain, telling me the overall security rating, what protocols and what records I have published and which are valid, as well as the published DMARC policy. So right now I can see that I have DMARC and MTA-SCS both correctly published and valid. I can see that I have SPF and BME both published, however, they are invalid, and DKIM, TLS-RPT are both not found. Due to these policies, I can see that my current security score is on a D+, and my published DMARC policy is currently on quarantine. So let's say I want to improve my security score, and I'm not sure what I need to do. So there are 2 tabs here that you can see. One is telling me my current errors and misconfigurations. So for example, the reason my SPF is invalid is due to the fact that the DNS lookups exceed 10. And on the left side here, I can see the actions needed to improve my domain security ratings. So taking these actions will then improve my security score. So for example, let's say I would like to do TLS-RPT, since I can see that this is not found. Going down here, I can see that TLS-RPT record is not found. Expanding this, I can see the recommendation that it works hand in hand with MTA-SCS, and I would need to publish this feature. To actually publish this feature, I can actually go to the actions needed, go to under TLS-RPT and publish this record. Clicking this will take me to the hosted TLS-RPT page, where it will actually tell me the record I need to publish to validate this record. Once that's done and I go back to my health check, I can see that this health check is now improved. My domain score has also improved, and the mentioned error as well as the action will have gone since the action is complete. This feature is a powerful tool that you can use to help improve your domain rating. It will give you the exact diagnosis of your current domain health, as well as any errors, misconfigurations, as well as the steps to improve these errors. Using this can hopefully take your domain from whatever your current rating is all the way to the maximum enforcement, and that would be an A+ score. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I wish you a happy implementation. Thank you.